Why is 6Section folding arm crane the industry benchmark? The first is this smooth hydraulic system. We all know that the life of the hydraulic system directly affects the service life of a car. 6Section adopts a double pump design, which not only ensures the stability and work efficiency of the vehicle, but also has super impact resistance. In addition, 6Section has always insisted on using big brand accessories, which ensures product quality from the source. And under the same configuration, 6Setion's price is also more advantageous, truly achieving high quality and low price, and truly allowing customers to spend small money to do big things. This is the core competitiveness of 6Section folding arm crane. If you are considering getting a folding arm crane, you might as well try this well-known 6Section folding arm crane.